Time for another Spigen case for the S24 Ultra, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here I am back again with the Ultra Hybrid 01 edition. This is also the Magsafe case for the S24 Ultra. So this is a case that I have picked up and used for the Pixel 8 Pro and for the 15 Pro Max, and I will be honest, I've loved them. They've been really good and I'm excited to try this out for the S24 Ultra. So let's check it out. So this is the version I like as well, the sort of darker colored one. So first thing it's first, when you take it out of the box, make sure you peel all this plastic off. And there will be plastic on the inside. So there we go. So that I love the print on this. It's got so good over the past while, and it's really nice. I do like that dark color. And then we've got those molded buttons, which is very, very nice. So yeah, that's cool. That's cool. So we'll just pop it on the scale quickly. We'll get the weight. So this is 47 grams. So there you go. It's about right for a half decent case. So let's just pop the S24 Ultra in there and look at that. Oh man, it's so nice. It is so nice. So individual camera cutouts, which is good to see. I have seen a lot of feedback from you guys about the P cutouts and how they don't look good, and I do agree. There has been cases where I haven't really been bothered about it, but the more I've seen cases with the individual cutouts, I think they look much better. So yeah, what do you guys think of that? I think this is the best color of this case as well. Buttons then, we've got these are molded TPU buttons, so if we just try them, clicky, tactile, no issues there whatsoever. We have this TPU bumper. Even though it's shiny, it is very grippy. So you'll have plenty of grip. This is a smooth texture on the back. There's not much grip to it, but there is plenty of grip on the sides, which is what you want to see. On the bottom then we have our USB-C port, our mic, our speaker, and our S Pen. And the S Pen part is all rounded as well, so if you hit that, you can pull that S Pen out with no issues. And then we have our mic slot as well. So very, very nice. So we'll just check the fitment then of this case. So we just take the corners, we give it a twist, the phone is secure in there, it's not coming out whatsoever. That's what you want, a good proper fit. That's awesome. And then if we look at the screen lip, so the screen lip then it is unlike a lot of the S24 Ultra cases, it is pretty much all the way around. So you do get a lip up over the entire display, which is really good to see. The S24 Ultra has a flat display, so it's a better job. So if you set that down flat, it's not going to rough up that display, which is good. And then if we check out the camera lenses, so the entire back of the case is smooth, and we have a slight little raised lip on the top and the bottom of the back of the case. So it will give you a little bit of lift. The lenses don't protrude out, but it is very, very minimal. So even if you do set it down flat, you will get a little bit of lift up off that surface. So yeah, that's the fitment there is really, really good. And yeah, I think that looks really well with the grey phone. And then of course this is MagFit as well. So we've got that sort of mag ring, which is laid out there lovely as well. So what do you guys think of that? Very grippy case, and it's still quite minimal, which I kind of like. And of course, because it is MagFit, we can do a Magsafe test. So let's get my trusty stand in and get this done. So the Magsafe on the iPhone version of this was very, very, very good compared to previous years where it was very, very, very bad. So I'm hoping that this is going to be the same. So fingers crossed, because I would hate to be disappointed. You know yourself. So let's just see. Oh yeah, great job. Perfect. Thank you, Spigen. I'm so happy. So happy. And also we'll do the wireless power sharing test as well. People have been asking for it in the comments, and there we go. So there's my AirPods, which will wirelessly charge to that with no issues. So yeah, so wireless power sharing does work. If you do have wireless earbuds, you'll be able to charge them off the back. That's pretty sweet. So we can do the S Pen test here as well. Case is on there. We have no issues whatsoever. See in around where those magnets would be, no interference. We're getting uninterrupted writing and drawing in around where those coils will be, which is what you want to see. And if we just take the Magsafe battery bank, stick that on the back, and we'll just try that as well. And look at that! No interference there either. Fantastic. That is brilliant. Look at that. Brilliant. I didn't think I was going to be disappointed with that case, and you know what? I'm really happy to see that. I would highly recommend picking this up. If this is your type of case and you're worried about it, definitely, but pick up the Magsafe version. So if you are interested in picking this up, I'll leave you a link to where I found it on Amazon. So affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using one of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. And this is one of my top cases now for the S24 Ultra. Fantastic. So that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it logged to the channel. I have a lot more S24 Ultra content coming for you guys, so stay tuned. And of course, if you want some more down to earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so nice. So nice.